Hello, good afternoon, seventh grade. Sorry, I'm getting this posted a little bit later than normal. Just an easy 2-day week for us in English. In fact, I'm not going to create a video for Tuesday because it'll be the same information. So this will cover us for the whole week. Basically, in class today, I just went over the things that are due. We're trying to get everything wrapped up this week before we head into winter break. So we're not really creating any new assignments, but just getting everything turned in so that when we come back from break, we're ready to move forward. So the first thing I talked about was the Giver Ed puzzle. This is where we watched the Giver movie and compared it back to the book. That is expiring today on Monday, December 21st. If we get too far beyond, we're not even going to remember details from the book much longer. So it will get just difficult to do. So we are getting that wrapped up. If you have not turned that in, today is the day to do that. Second thing was our commas test located in Khan Academy. That is also due today. It is a 13-point summative score, so it is important that you do take this commas test. This will be our one summative score that will be in the grade book for quite a while. It'll be probably mid-January before I get another summative score in, so it's important that you do this one. I am just about to enter scores in. I just recorded them. If you have not taken that test, it will probably go in missing today, but you can certainly take that test yet tomorrow or even over break. Just shoot me an email like always and let me know when you've made that up. And then the last two things were about the pro-con assignment. So at this point, I have got through everybody's facts, the research, 6 researched facts. If you have all of your, I left to everybody a comment basically. 24 points is the possible score. So if you have 24 out of 24, assume that you are good. If you have a score lower than that, please look for some feedback on ways that you can correct that. I had some folks that had maybe like 12 out of 24 because maybe they're missing like some very key components. So double check back into your document and you'll see some feedback. And if you make those corrections, you can resubmit, and I would be more than happy to give you the full credit. For some of you, you're going to have to make those corrections before you'll be able to move on in the project. So again, if you do not have 100%, please double check back in the document and you can see your score. And then lastly was our thesis statement, and that is due as of this morning. I haven't even started checking those yet, so you're in luck. If you haven't turned that in, I'll be looking at those tomorrow. A thesis statement is a one-sentence statement that is like the key statement of your pro-con project. A thesis statement starts off with your topic, which is like gun control, death penalty, animal testing. Then you're going to add your opinion. I like it. It's a good thing. It's a bad thing. It should be legal in all states, or it should be outlawed everywhere. However you feel about your topic is the next part. And then the last part are your 3 reasons: reason 1, reason 2, reason 3. And that's coming off of your research chart. In my case, it was about uniforms keeping students focused, preventing bullying, and saving families money. So whatever your 3 topics were, that goes back into your thesis statement. If you're just getting started on a thesis statement, I would encourage you to click on the thesis assignment. In there, I have a 2-minute video link. It's um, it's kind of a corny Powtoon that I put together, but I think it will walk you through how to do a thesis statement. It tells you what comes first, second, and third, piecing it all together for a thesis statement, and that's where you'll go to type your own thesis statement and turn it in anyway. So I encourage you to check that out, thesis statement in Google Classroom in the classwork. So just one more time to recap the 4 things that I really want to get wrapped up before break: Giver Ed puzzle, the commas test in Khan Academy, the 6 researched facts, and your thesis statement. Those 4 things are what I really want to get taken care of before break. And then lastly, I pushed out to everybody this morning a slideshow, and that's kind of like your final draft for this project. It's a black and aqua colored slideshow. And for those that are caught up on all 4 of those previous things I was just talking about, the assignments, they can start messing around with our slideshow. You can change colors, you can change fonts, you can start adding pictures, things like that. I mean, you're all going to get time to do that after break, but for those that are caught up on everything, they can start playing with that kind of stuff. So that is where we're at for today, Monday, December 21st. Kind of the same plan for tomorrow, December 22nd. Just really try and get those 4 things wrapped up. Those that are done, you just get some bonus work time. You can, like I said, play around on the slideshow. So I hope everybody has a wonderful break. Get rested up, recharged. I hope you stay safe, and I hope you have a fun time too. Take care, and I will see you guys January 4th or at the Google Meet tomorrow morning. Bye bye.